We got a chef in the house, y'all. He gonna tell the crew about it. You hear me?
When you say turkey leg Fred, man, you gotta take the drawers off.
You gotta take the drawers off of his head, you.
Ain't no stranger to that.
Take the drawers off of it. Look at that. That's a brontosaurus leg, man. That's a chef, y'all. He gonna tell the truth. He's the bone on the bone.
Tender. It's tender, man.
Yeah, let's see what it do, y'all. Uh-oh.
Man.
Got it? Got it? Got it?
I licked my finger already, man. I've been hearing about the potatoes and everything. Come to Turkey Leg Fred, man. It's on, baby.
So good the goddamn Emily came back here. Y'all didn't see that? Yeah, he caught it.
That's good, man.
It's good.
Oh, man.
There it is. Y'all see what it is. Turkey Leg Fred chasing reviews. Chef J in the building, baby. Miss Gina in the building. Y'all hear me? Look here. 3035 Lamar Street. Y'all know what to do. Come holler at me. 90181. I'm going to say 518-0319. Peace.
Yeah,